Welcome to the second Greenhorn Live of 2023. We have 3 stories lined up for this episode.
That's right, and for our first story, Greenhorn Live compiled this report concerning Halloween and its attendant hijinks. Halloween fell upon Springfield High School last Tuesday like a pleasant plague of strange creatures straight from the threshold between what is to be and what never was.
My thoughts on Halloween.
It's a great holiday overall.
Halloween's a great time of the year.
Halloween is by far my favorite holiday.
It's not just a holiday for me, it's a lifestyle.
Halloween has been my favorite holiday since I was a kid.
I quite like the idea of being able to scare children.
It is a holiday of wonders.
You know, it's definitely my go-to.
I think it's a sketchy holiday.
I like getting dressed up. I like going out and getting candy. I also like seeing all the different kinds of costumes everyone else around me has.
You dress up as your favorite scary monster.
Pretty much my house is decorated Halloween 24/7.
Halloween's a great time of the year to, have some fun, be a kid again.
You go and you raid houses for candy.
Also with the candy's pretty good itself.
So on Halloween night, I heard a weird sound at my door. So as I opened it, I saw there were a bunch of toilet paper rolls on the ground, in which case I then saw one fly across my yard. And as I looked out the window, I heard a bunch of kids running through the leaves, and I collected all of the toilet paper rolls. There were 17 toilet paper rolls in my yard, and altogether 4 strands of toilet paper about 6 feet long each in the trees. I had a bunch of amateurs show up, and they're a disgrace to the student body.
We've received an anonymous note from the perpetrators of this heinous crime that reads, "Challenge accepted."
On October 27th, a few days before Ghosts and Ghouls came a-knocking, the River Valley Technical Center hosted an event called Girl Powered. Event organizers brought the middle school students to the tech center from all around the region to participate in hands-on workshops in career areas that are non-traditional for female or non-binary students. Greenhorn Live filmed some of the girl-powered workshops and recorded the keynote speaker, Cassandra McKinnon. Student journalists also interviewed lead organizer Kelly Roker-Campbell and one student participant to put this report together.
Today we're having an event called Girl Powered, and it's an event to get girls and non-binary youth into robotics and STEM and just different opportunities to get them exposed and have a really safe, encouraging place to explore that stuff.
We're here at Girl Powered, and we are making paper circuits.
We're doing some more STEM crafty activities, but we're also doing drones and welding and robotics.
This is actually really fun. We're just building stuff and finding out how to use materials.
Students from Riverside, Green Mountain, Union High School and Middle School, Bellows Falls Middle School, Weathersfield School are all here today. We have outside partners, Green Source Fabrication, Cassie McKinnon, one of their engineers, was our guest speaker.
STEM's inclusive, and you each have a place in it. STEM is not just for the boys or the adults, it's for everyone. We need all different voices and perspectives to make the world a better place. So if you're passionate about it, go for it, because you belong here. We would 100% do something like this again. Being, women in the STEM field ourselves, it's very near and dear to our heart, and we just love this kind of stuff.
The Springfield High School's football team defeated Otter Valley on Saturday, October 28th, 18-12 in a Division III playoff game at Otter Valley. This win moved the Cosmos into the semifinals for the first time since 2016, when football coach Todd Aiken was an assistant under current SHS athletic director Rich Sapak. In an Eagle Times article after this victory, Aiken referred to the game as the best coaching win of his career. Greenhorn Live spoke with Aiken and a few of the players following the Otter Valley game. Though the team lost to Windsor this past Saturday in the Division III semifinals and completed the year at 5-5, no loss can erase the energy and determination the Cosmos showed against Otter Valley, seen vividly in this collection of interviews and film from the Otter Valley game.
The game Saturday at Otter Valley went very well. Obviously, we had a great week of practice. We put in a great game plan, and we went out there and executed and played as mistake-free football as possible.
Went great. I mean, we went out there, we hurt them a couple times. We just ran over them.
We won. That's all that matters.
We ended up winning 18-12. We played hard. Offensively, we moved the ball, and I'm really good.
It's our first playoff win since 2017, so that's super exciting.
Now we go play Windsor. It's probably, we're going to hopefully beat them. I mean, we're going to do everything in our power to beat them.
It's taking us to the chip, you know. We're running over Windsor this weekend, hopefully. And I already took work off for the chip. The 11th, be there.
They fought really hard for that win.
I laid some kid on his butt.
Big runs, good passes, you know. I just shared the love everywhere.
It was an emotional afternoon, but it was a great one.
Well, I think we just ran the ball really good. Our offensive line blocked really good. We had a whole bunch of holes, and we actually threw the ball pretty well too. We got everybody involved in the game.
Specific plans for Windsor: we don't want to make as many mistakes as they do. We need to limit their big plays. But we're going to go out and we're going to play Cosmos football and come home with a W and make our way to Rutland.
That is all for our second broadcast program. Thanks for watching this spooky episode of Greenhorn Live. Stay cryptic, Cosmos.
And we'll see you next time. Signing off.